Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Mooresville, Lake Norman, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a free parking. Located off Interstate 77 just 20 minutes drive from Lake Norman State Park, this hotel features a daily continental breakfast and laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Cable TV and a work desk are found in each room at the Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Mooresville, Lake Norman. Rooms are decorated in neutral colors with bold accents and are equipped with a microwave and a small refrigerator. A fitness center is offered to the guests of the Lake Norman Mooresville Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites. Guests can relax in the outdoor pool or enjoy a meal made on the barbecue facilities. The hotel is 3 miles from Central Mooresville. Junior Motorsports is 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.